Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. And how was everyone's week? And if you're new to this channel, I welcome you to the Lotus Foodie family. So have you ever wondered why you make stew and it's always watery? Today I bring a solution, a perfect solution. So I'll be making carrot chicken stew today through dehydration method, cooking method. And who is ready to cook with me? So on the stove I have my clean pot, and I added my blended pepper, tomatoes, onions, red bell pepper, ginger, and of course garlic mixture into the pot to undergo dehydration process by simultaneously transferring of heat and mass within the stew, and allow to dry out for about 10 minutes. So after the 10 minutes interval, the dehydration process is complete. As you can see, it's dry out, all water moisture gone. So I remove and set aside. So back on the stove I have my clean pot, and I added cooking oil. Yes, I love using King's vegetable oil, and allow to heat up for about 2 minutes. So I added my chopped onions, then fry, then followed by my chopped carrots. Yes, carrot is one of the good source of vitamin A, which allows, like, it's good for vision. So, and allow to fry, then stir them together. So after that I added my dehydrated mixture. Okay, this is looking so delicious already, don't mind me. So after that I stir together to incorporate. Then I added my salt, followed by my thyme, my curry, and Maggi. Then continue to fry. So after frying for about like 3 minutes, I added my rich stock which I prepared earlier. Yes, my chicken rich stock which I prepared earlier. Remember I said it's a chicken carrot stew. So after that, now this is where the dehydration process will take place. Like, now it has started to take place by giving energy back to the stew and increasing the mass. No amount of water added can actually like make it watery. Never. That is the secret behind the dehydration method. So I added water to increase the mass of the stew. So keep washing till the end to see the final result. Okay, so after that I cover my pot to cook together for about 5 minutes. Oops, this is looking so yummy already, and can you see it's not watery? So I added my protein, which is the chicken. Oop, now I just have to like stir them together. Now I'm doing that now. Oh, I can just wait to have a taste of this. This is looking so delicious and looking so yummy. Okay, and now it's all set, and I told you, perfect solution to cook a non-watery stew. So ready to be served. You can actually like use your multi-purpose stew to eat either any carbohydrates of your choice, rice, anything. So please, if you know you learned something, please subscribe and also turn on the notification bell so whenever I post, you get to know. And please give me a good comment below. Thanks for watching and see you in my next video. Thank you. I love you all.